Okay, so here we are with Sony's latest release, the A7 Mark III. Like the previous A7 models, you still get that premium compact feel. And we've noticed it also takes a lot of features straight from the A9, such as the 24 megapixel backlit sensor and a boosted ISO going up to 204,000. As well as that, you've got 693 focus points covering 93% of the screen. The upgraded model is also rocking a brand new higher speed processor capable of 10 frames per second. It also includes 14-bit RAW. You've got 177 shot buffer with twice the autofocus speed, but it also has Sony's amazing eye tracking focus system. So with all this technology, I don't see how you're going to miss a shot. And for you video guys out there, the A7 Mark III is now shooting 4K HDR footage available in S-Log3. With the improved 5-step in-body image stabilization, you can also get those amazing gimbal-like shots even if you're handheld. This camera also uses the same FZ1000 batteries as the A9, which gives us over 710 shots and over an hour of filming time. So guys, that's the new A7 Mark III. We love it, we think you're going to as well. So come down to the store or check it out online.